So from the video title, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if for any reasons you want to do this, right, this is what you're going to do. This video is basically for educational purpose only, so I'm making it to share my thoughts on something that may really help a lot of entrepreneurs out there. So at first, you need to head over to your desktop background, right? So I'm going to do something right now. I'm going to create a folder, right? I will use it as a test. So I'm going to right click my mouse. You can see the new. I'm going to click on the folder. I'm going to create the folder. So I can come on here. I can just type in test, right? Okay, let me see. I can type in test 2, right? Test 2, yeah. So if I open this folder right now, you can see that this folder is empty, right? There's nothing in this folder. So if you'd love to put any files in here, any file of your choice, it's okay, right? It's okay. So what you need to do right now for you to be able to do this, you're gonna right click your mouse, right click your mouse. You're gonna scroll down, you're gonna see the see more options, click on it. Now if you want to do this, right, ensure it's something that is really necessary, right? So I'm making this video so as you know what you're gonna do. Click on the show more. Once I click on the show more, there's a lot of options, right? I click on the properties, right? You can see this test tool. Remove this, right? It's gonna be minus. Click on this, click on apply, click on OK. Right now you can see the test 2 folder here again, right? You can see the test 2 folder here again. You can see the test 2 folder here again. So this is how you can do this, right? This is how you can do this. If for any reasons you want to do this, ensure you do it for a reasonable purpose, right? So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. Again, this video is only for educational purpose only. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.